messy so. Let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a phobia. Say, in your sick and I'm pen my show. See, I be looking out for my baby. And I wanna know if you could there for me.
Don't touch me. I thought you were my best friend.
I am your best friend.
I saw you with Aroma. What were you guys talking about?
Precious.
You hugged and all that.
We were just talking. Nothing bad. Why are you being childish?
You call this being childish?
Listen, let me come clean. He asked me out and then I didn't want to reject him. I didn't want to be a bad friend.
You didn't want to reject him?
Come on.
You know he's my guy.
So wait. I mean, I know we are best friends, but then we are not blood sisters. You aren't my sister.
So what you're telling me now?
Come on. Stop nagging. We are just best friends. Best friends.
I trusted you, Seer.
Come on. We are not doing anything bad. What were we doing? We weren't kissing.
You guys were literally making out there.
Making out? You call that making out?
You're denying.
I'm not denying the fact that
so
I was with
you can go out with my guy.
I'm not going out with your guy.
You're a bitch. Do you know you're a bitch?
Are you being serious right now?
Yes.
I thought we were friends. Why are you insulting me? Stop being loud. I beg.
Hey, you can't leave.
Precious.
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, Seer. You know I don't fight, right?
We all don't fight. Have you seen exchanging words with somebody?
That's why you're not growing. So you're still short. You remain
that's
down
why
like
Aroma
this.
is into me.
He's not into you.
I don't know. More chukra school me. Jesus Christ. Who was school some chukra? Hey! Christ in me. Headmaster Subeti.
Sir, it's not what you think.
We were just having a tiny argument.
Tiny argument. Another exchange of words.
I saw them making out. Can you imagine? He was kissing with the guy on campus.
So we were
oh,
talking.
shush.
You can't shout me
and
out.
If I may know, who is that guy?
It's a Precious boyfriend.
No.
Precious boyfriend.
No.
So we were talking. They had an argument and then I was trying to fix things.
Okay. Headmaster Asubete, why?
Sir. Please, my mom can't hear about this.
Your mom, but my mom can hear about it. So we are sorry.
Sorry for what? Sorry for yourself. Who was school service? You know there's a school of Chimpra.
Oh, sir, please don't let administration hear about this.
Hey, there's a more person more chichireme.
Sir, please, sir.
Hey.
Sir, you can't report us to the administration.
Okay, I promise I won't do it. I won't do it.
How do we know?
You just stand up.
We can't get up. How do we know?
I promise.
So we can trust you.
Oh, you just trust me. You may go.
But I think this girl needs counseling.
It's all your fault. Don't talk to me.
I am a brand here, messy so. Let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a phobia. Say, in your sick and I'm pen my show. See, I be looking out for my baby. And I wanna know if you could there for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me. Now send to me, I'll back a be a mule. I need someone to hold me down today. Me, pill be a betty, my say.
How would Dimbrika crack? What happened?
Man, say it's serious.
What serious?
Sonny says school yet to school more. I'm on Korami no more chokora. For what reasons? Who by school some there's some school some by chokora.
But so Omubet Crow, some bay a hanya plamble. I'll bet me a same colasso sano. Leave them, you just leave them.
My, what are you
to
saying?
Set them free. How you put pressure on these ladies?
My, oh, you're right.
and grab a school more chukura kachem se minja o mo nyo de o
mo ye dey wo mo be ba America wudi a wo koba amane no ni meaning pa ni say
my meaning ni say
we
have to put stop on it.
If you put stop on it, the ladies didn't stop. What about you?
My
don't do that. No, listen, don't do that. Asem bi wo school mu an concern ekoso bi. Wa ya masade we wo mo kan ye ho. We concern too much. Nya ne sa. Ma di America te se wo ko na wa no bo ho na wo situ ye be ka se na ne se atu no.
E dey say me ye papa.
Papa na wo ye nipa ade.
Ade say mai.
Mama
ko mama ko. E dey si ne se nya. E dey na you concern say teacher wo hu a wo be tia ne say twe wo firi ho na.
Wa tia na tia wo mu nya ya. Eno dey na be. Wo be kuna na dia listen. This time around we living in scientific world. So don't touch any doctor.
My, mse wankasa wonim de okeka ho ha. So ba na wo school mu abi, ene wo di sansamfo na wo tue school fees a. Won hwe so on di sansamfo no. What are you saying?
Hey. Say, not a shame.
Shame for what?
Huh? Eti woni nwu asem. Sa di we wo di America da bia no e concern ni bo school mu ano. En na ape. Papa. Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Me say the many who pa nya sam ketwa.
Me kokra me.
Wo kwan?
Na what asem a wo ka no. Me nim asem a wo ka. Wo pese wo dey twaso
Me twa dey so.
What's going on?
Enkro me no school mu e twekura me kan wo si min twa so.
Omo twekura wo school mu.
Omo twekura. See an precious.
Mr. Gentleman, they are growing. If the person are growing, and you be piano, I bet me put you one of the room. Ahanya sebe GSS wana GHS.
My,
you know. What pass ade ho?
Wo force a change say ya. Wo force a change say na wo fu.
I know there school be
teachers.
University be bia, probably GSS be bia wo.
Teachers. My we are in pub.
One crown on to wo. Esa school na nkra de nya.
Radio kana ya in pub one for radio kana on for
some free work.
Adey.
When na school mo di concern sa adey.
Oh yeah the papa. We are the papa nke beka. We are the papa nke beka.
Tubu.
Say my.
Otua me book kura kuta.
Say my.
Hey,
you know that the parents of these children, they brought them to us, so we nurture them.
I know they brought them to us to nurture them, but any BPN, you put your mouth there.
No, you know that what they are doing can send the name of the school into disrepute.
For what? For what?
They came here purposely to learn, not to find themselves in a state of rivals.
So can you beat them? Can you beat them?
No, we can't beat them.
But
we can't beat them, but listen, trade them.
Get advice. What can I do?
Emaye, into school ye na wa enyeska kakre fimi. Se school egu a ehin na wo fa. Ehin na me nso me fa. Eno ni ade ba ko a e wo se adwene ho. Enkwa no omawofo de mo bae. Si emfa nyansa emra omumu. Ne ko ba se enkwa na ba no mo twekura omuko mema ho a. Omko fia ebra papa be na omko ba kire omawofo. Asemu a minwa eka no menene ya adwene.
Mai kwa me suspect no.
School ni bia ni hanu mo a.
Adwam de book no be bowa sumu ma won.
Mai. What the book me dey?
Omo be say teachers from mienu pa na ba ko abu.
Mai mi dunyam kase me sie brim wa ha no ye.
No,
be ye onwunwa.
Ka me be mekun.
Mai wo be dey.
No, we be school mo tredi. Umu hantu oni konkonsan so di.
It's okay.
Ko no ba pa.
Mebua keka wo asesi emu yi
mebua ficha campus ni wate sadness for mpaboa no betwetwem
me ka wo chain no wo be che waso
wate
it's okay
bia na wo di America sa dey
penya de boni bia na wo support
chare until the break
you are supporting them.
No, I'm not supporting them.
You are misleading them.
For what?
Because obi obaso be suade na okobe ma ho.
Don't do that.
And then the teacher is complaining.
No, listen. So can say me do when you are
for what reason?
No, don't
on
do that.
On grounds.
They are growing. Can you beat them?
We can't beat them.
So what's up?
We have to train them.
If you train them, they didn't take the training. What's up?
Say my, don't spare the rod and spoil the child. Sometimes we need to be harsh on them. You are wrong.
Okay, you can harsh on them. What? And every rolling scientific word. Who Tim Cotia will be by President and will be by what? Who Tim Cosu Mubuno. Sister Moko Bonk, Namo Tata, no more J school, Makoma, now Koya now by any next stupid teacher.
What about the Marty? May go on a dinner school. Why do you scream?
What's in a Jamie? What's in a Jamie?
Check my video. Hey, we don't want them to me here.
Jimmy, I meant to tell Ness at all. What? What did you go again?
Why you would not to say by either arm with you? It's okay. Oh, soon say, may call me Obama near Banco family. Mama, you report anything. Hey, I didn't tell you don't go to report it. Okay, see you later.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me door. Let me see your baby, I'm a
Why are you doing like that? Why are you doing it like that? I didn't know if you come anymore, sir. I don't trouble until I will come back, man.
I wasn't like that.
Why are you doing like that? Can't you say?
So I wasn't fighting. I was just talking to her. I saw her kissing with a guy. And I had to approach her because she's my friend. I wasn't fighting.
So what's going on with you between and Aroma?
Yeah, Aroma is just my friend though. He's my best friend.
So is your best friend somebody kiss Aroma? Is it your boy? Huh?
No, the fact that it's on campus.
Come to say him. Ejira, come to say him.
I was just advising her that she can't kiss on campus.
If you advise her, the head doesn't take her, you advise her. Come to say him. Eti nungwase na ugu misano. Sisi wunti, we should defend the defend though. He say ya ni treat fian said your TV so talking point your talking point. But check. Onu so asemu a, we be chirima mo bi ase. Could you defend the defend though?
He said talk to them for me.
Huh?
I didn't fight oh.
We just me twitwaje wa me ko wura mu a twitwaje wa makacho sese wo nya bibia ka kire me. Ana friend me never fear. Come to my home. Why can I do that?
I looked around for you. I didn't find you.
You do. No. You looking around for me. You got my number. You can call me on phone. I told you call me on phone. You disgrace me. Can't you say?
I'm sorry.
Every day you sorry. Hey, teachers we want to call me I'm fighting for you. You know I'm fighting for you.
Yes. Please talk to them for me. When my mother hears about it, I'll be in
trouble.
I was just advising the girl. Though.
No, I know.
I didn't fight.
But what happened between you and the girl?
I saw them kissing. I saw Aroma and the girl kissing.
So Aroma kiss somebody.
But you're not supposed to kiss on campus.
What shit out of the shame?
I'm sorry.
Why are you doing like that?
I won't do that again.
You disgrace me, Chihuahua. I'm fighting for you. Tell me you disgrace me, Chihuahua. Why are you doing like that?
I'm sorry.
Don't do that, okay? I'll kill you. Call me and come to my house, okay?
I'll come there this evening.
Yeah, this evening, come to my room, okay?
Okay.
Don't do that, okay? I'm fighting for you.
Please fight for me.
I'll fight for you, okay?
My mother can't hear about this.
Okay.
I'll really be in serious trouble.
Okay, go.
Okay.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me door. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia.
I never expected that from you.
What didn't you expect?
So why did you do that?
Do what?
You know what I'm talking about. Stop pretending. You know what I'm talking about.
I just had a conversation with Seer. I didn't fight. Why is everybody talking about fight?
Exactly. Why did you fight her?
I didn't fight. We were just talking. It was just loud. I didn't fight.
Kanim, I thought you were matured. You know, what sort of childish behavior is that?
I had to talk to her.
About what?
But you can't tell me what to do.
I can't tell you what to do.
I had to talk to her. She can't be making out with my boyfriend. You even know more my boyfriend.
Come on, you know what? Do you know what your action have cost? No, they want to call me. They said I should come to the principal office. I don't know what they are going to do to me.
That's your issue.
My issue?
Yeah, it's your issue.
Kanim, for God's sake, please. Why should you go and fight your friend because of me?
And besides, there's nothing going on between the guy and
There is. I saw you guys.
What did you see?
I saw you guys kissing.
Kiss, Canning.
You kissed.
You can't.
You
I kissed
hugged
her.
and kissed. Let's not talk about this. You are having your troubles. Find somebody to defend you at that side. Okay. I don't want to have
you know
anything.
what? Don't let us drag this. I don't know. Maybe the teachers might call you. Please, please defend me.
I will tell them what I saw.
What did you see?
I saw you kissing. You guys will get into trouble with this. I have nothing to do with
Trust me, this is so childish. Why should you go and fight your friend because of me? Because I was talking to your
Call
friend
me
and
a
you think.
doll, call me a child, whatever. I'll still say whatever I want to say.
Canning.
Is this why you call me?
This is why I called you, because you think this is this. Do you know what this has cost? You don't know.
You've always been fighting. We all know you for this. So why are you like making this a big deal? I'm supposed to be the one crying and making noise.
Will you be happy if they dismiss me from this school?
You're always going to the DC, so this isn't a big deal for you, is it?
And you want to add up to my problems. You want to add up.
Whatever.
Canning, for God's sake, I've signed the bond. They don't want me to come there again. If this case gets to them, I'm dead. Canning, why should you go around doing this? I have nothing to do with Seer or whatever she calls herself.
You do. She told me that you asked her out and she accepted. Didn't you ask her out?
So if you're not around, you weren't around. I was just trying to, make your friend feel comfortable, and that's all. She told me she was heartbroken, and I was just trying to be a good friend.
I can't believe I lowered my standard for someone like you.
Canning, don't say this, please. Canning, I love you, and this is just a small issue. Let's solve it, and don't let us, take this too
I just
far.
want to tell you something. Don't call me again. Whenever you call me, I'm not going to come, and don't send multiple people to come and call me. I don't have time for you.
No, are you trying to tell me?
I didn't come to this school because of you. Do you know that?
So you are breaking up with me?
I broke up with you a long time ago.
Canning?
Yeah.
Are you seeing somebody?
No.
So why are you treating me this way?
You deserve to be treated this way.
I
For Christ's sake. Of all you've done, you're still talking like I am the one at fault. I just had to talk to the girl because what you guys did wasn't right. I spoke to you about it. So I went to talk to her, but she was the one who just...
There's no problem with you talking to her, but at least you should go it, in a matured way.
I went in a matured way. She raised her voice, and I had to raise my voice as well.
What if you didn't raise your voice? Would it have caused it?
Because she raised her voice. She wasn't listening to me, so I had to do something for her to listen to me. Are you on her side?
I'm not on her side. This has caused a problem. That is the reason why I'm pissed. If they call me to the DC, I'm dead. I don't want to go back there again.
That's not my problem, honestly. That's my problem. I have to actually go and then wash down and then get something to eat.
So you're walking out of me?
Yeah.
Canning.
Please, I have to go. Okay. Have a nice time. Just try and find something to do with your life. Oh, don't ever touch me again. Leave me.
Canning.
Oh.
Canning. Canning. Canning.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a phobia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could there for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me. Now send to me, I'll back a be a mule. I need someone to hold me down today.
How are you? Are you okay? Hi. Young lady. Aden obi teacher ni bi abo. And now what fail exams? What fail papers ni bi?
You keep on talking. I'm not minding you. Why are you guys like that?
What my son? What do you miss, sir?
Why do you always want to get into people's space?
No, you are crying.
So can't we have our personal time?
No, this is not personal time. Who soon say personal time? You are crying.
Why do you care?
I care. Nice lady like you are crying. Who soon?
Let me be. Oh, just go to wherever you are going to.
Just tell me.
Let me have my peace of mind.
There is no peace of mind. Huh? Talk to me.
Oh.
Hey, I'm so doing it.
Why?
Talk to daddy.
I don't want to talk to you.
Why?
Just get out of my sight.
What is do fumbling you? Then yo. Is there a chance about one? Hey.
If you touch me again, please leave.
What's wrong? What's
Leave.
wrong?
Leave and let me think. Leave.
You are not thinking. You are crying. You are in school. You came to learn. You are crying. Then yo. I'm here for you. Daddy is here for you. Talk to me.
Just leave my sight. Please leave. Please. I'm not in the mood. Please leave. Just leave me.
Let's go. I'll buy you plantain chips.
Just leave.
Let's leave together.
Leave.
Young Kumbu.
Oh. Oh, leave.
Precious, don't cry. Let's go. Talk to me.
Who is this guy?
Oh, it's me, it's Kanti.
Don't let me do what I don't want to do. Just leave me. Oh, can't you hear me?
I can hear
I keep on
you.
telling you that leave me.
I can't leave you. I can't leave you crying. It's me, January.
Why?
I am a brand here, Messi so. Let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a phobia. Say in your sticker, I'm pen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could there for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me. Now send to me, I'll back a be a mule. I need someone to hold me down today. Me, pill be a betty, my summer say. Holding it down up at my man, who be at the search you. Yeah, teacher, me say, but dumb, yeah. I'm a deep, my cool, my mama, when you're me, yawa. So bet you me dumb by, yeah, me say, but dumb, yeah. Mommy, we say, but don't, yeah, soon,
yeah. Hey, come. Are you still in campus? But look at the way you're doing yourself.
So Clark, it's not classes time, no class is over.
Share the way you look at the way you're behaving. Stupid boy. Me person men can't say we in school. School money and no dear. So now mammy be 3 hours feet to school. No one watching say we go school now. Yet you was say, "Hey, wow, self." Name my mom for my come wow pass out say woman of the bra. Anya juma o. Anya juma ne anya juma tsna. Wo kwasi ampanyin we ya wo gyina ho na ma mienu. Ko ho. Ade na wo keka ma ni tribom sa. Hey, Aroma.
I'm just a guy having fun. I'm just having fun.
You just having fun. Then look at the way you behaving to me. You just having fun. Stupid how you are, nigga. Huh?
So I never told them to fight. You're the one fighting over me, and I never asked them to fight.
But you finding two or both?
What?
You finding two or both?
I don't understand that.
That's just a friend who me in me boy.
Come on, sir.
So one show one free a J1 one. So one show one free J1 one. A dear me debate so school one we have a school. I can't no mammy did not shame in so. Me mama sack what I know.
Joanne and I are just friends.
Stay away from Ejewa. Next time I catch you or I see you, you close the Ejewa. See what happened to you.
So we are just friends. So
I say I don't need your friend. And then you damn fool beam.
I don't understand.
What kind of this nonsense, rubbish, tautology?
And besides, I never asked them to fight over me. You know, they are the ones fighting.
I said, whatever, to fight against you, to fight all because of you, I don't care. I say, stay away from Ejiwa. That's all.
Ejiwa is my downfall. Say,
we sit you free around home. It's okay. And you say, get out of the way. Yo, bitch, get out of the way.
Say, don't say that to me. You know, that's an insult.
I said, get out of the way. I didn't insult you. Why?
He said, hey, bitch, I should get out of the way.
That's I said, insult. Get out of the way. I will bitch like you, fucking nigga.
Say, you can't insult me like this.
I will insult you. What can you do for me? What am
I gonna do to you?
Yeah.
Say, you're my teacher. I can't insult you back.
So that's why I'm insulting you.
And do you know it's against the school law to
I said, bitch, get out of the way. I tell you. I say it again.
Say,
bitch.
So if I say that to you, will you be happy?
You see.
Don't call me bitch, sir.
I said, bitch, get out of the way. Get out from my front door, from my face.
All these niggas trying to act this way.
Stupid are you, white nigga?
So I don't want to show you the middle finger. I don't want to do that, sir.
If you show me the middle finger, I will teach you. I'm a teacher.
That's what I'm saying. You don't call me bitch. If you call me bitch,
so get out of the way.
I'm gonna show you the middle finger.
I don't like what you're doing. I'm talking, then you're talking.
If you call me bitch, I'm gonna show you the middle finger, sir. I don't wanna do that, sir.
Shut your motherfucker out of here.
Sir, don't say that to me, sir. You don't. That's an
insult. When you say that, what can I do for me?
Sir, oh yeah, me trust squad amount, sir. Normal. Oh yeah, me trust squad amount. Normal.
I will give you punishment tomorrow.
Sir. And I also did my time.
I said tomorrow I will give you punishment. Get out.
Whatever, but don't call me bitch again.
Bitch, get out.
Fuck you.
Fuck your motherfucker, fuck your mama and fuck your papa.
You can't fuck me, sir.
Fuck your own family, fuck your own crew.
Fuck you, sir.
Fuck you.
You don't respect yourself. I'm gonna fuck you, sir. Fuck you, sir.
I said fuck you too.
Whatever.
Fuck you, oh motherfucker. Fuck you too. Oh motherfucker, your family. Fuck you too. All your friends, all you motherfucker for family. Fuck you too. All your friends, all your family, all about you, fuck you too. Bitch!
I am a brand, yeah, Messi, so. Let me go, so me do.